my name is Raz Krog, and we are at my garage in Los Angeles. I'm a commercial photographer, and I do a lot of advertising stuff for car companies. So I'm very fortunate in that I get to kind of have my passion for cars trickle over into my work. I've been a big car guy since like kindergarten. I was always extremely anxious, like being in any type of situation, except for when I'm around cars and except for when I'm with people who love cars. So I've kind of just spent my life kind of trying to surround myself with cars and like the culture that surrounds that. When Turtlex first came to me, they were building this thing called the Shine Squad. And it was essentially a group of car people all around the world now, which is really exciting, who all use turtle wax and are, connected in one way or another to car culture. I was one of the first 3 members, and now it's grown to this like global squad of awesome people. It's been a fun experience. So I have a new little monster who is driving my OCD crazy, a small black lab puppy named Wilson. He loves being in the car. It's his favorite place. He's Labrador, so he gets in the car with sand and mud and whatever, and, covers all of my beautiful interiors with God knows what. But, Turtle Wax has me covered on every surface. Turtle Wax is one of those things that has allowed me to continue doing the ludicrous things I do and not ruin my cars.